So this is an isometric question from the 2023 paper 0979 spec, and you've got it states, a model bus shelter will be mounted on 20mm thick styrofoam base. So it's referring back to a different part of the question, but we know we're drawing a base. Orthographic views are shown below. So you've got the front view, which must be this view here. So you're given one side with the sign, and the side view, which must be here. It says complete the isometric view, a scale of 1 to 2. It's only 5 marks, so it's going to be quite quick. 1 to 2 means you divide everything in 2, so 110 becomes 55, 90 becomes 45, 160 becomes 80, 140 becomes 70, and 10 becomes 5. So you know it's 5 high, and you know the base is a cuboid, but it's got a chamfer on the top. So you could draw the base first, the bottom section, to give yourself guidance. So using this, you can extend your line. Starting point is here. So you've been given this. So extend that along and the other way. And the vertical. And then you've got some lines to measure on. So you know that it's 5 high. So put in 5 here. And then you've got this long side here is 80. And the short side here is 55. So now you can draw that base quite easily. And from here. So you've got your base drawn in here. So you're not given the height to the top, but you know it's at the top of the sign, so you can extend that line along, and you know it's going to be projected up. So you know that you're going to have a line starting here. So you can project that up, because it's going to start from here and measure along here. You know that line is 70. So drawing that along here, if you weren't sure, there is another way you can do it. So you're measuring from here, marking out 70. And another way of doing this is you know that this length is 70 and that's in the middle. So you could measure this 30, mark out the centre and measure out from either side. It both work in this case. So from there you know you're going to mark across in the other direction, and you know that this distance here is 45, so marking out 45 here, and then drawing that in. So drawing this top in, and then you've got that top bar. There are other ways of projecting up and doing it, but you don't know that measurement, so it is a bit tricky, and because it's only 5 marks, it's not going to be too complicated.